Hello and welcome to day 10 of our German A2 course. Today we've got an exciting topic for you: music, photos, and family stories. Let's jump right in with a short dialogue. What's that song, Mr. Schmidt? That's O Tannenbaum, a very famous German Christmas carol. It sounds really peaceful. I think so too. We could translate the lyrics together in our next lesson and learn the melody. Would you like to do that? Definitely. Sure, why not? Hey, the pictures here on the table are amazing. Yeah, really cool photos. Do you also take portraits? But actually, not just those. I'm working on a completely different project right now. It's going to be awesome. What kind of project is it? I'm not telling you yet. It's a surprise. Great. Before we continue, let's look at some vocabulary from the dialogue. First, das Lied, which means the song. For example, das ist mein Lieblingslied means that is my favorite song. Next, bekannt, which means famous or well-known. Dieses Lied ist sehr bekannt means this song is very famous. Then we have friedlich, meaning peaceful. Die Musik klingt friedlich translates to the music sounds peaceful. Die Lust is the desire to do something. For example, ich habe Lust auf ein Eis means I feel like having an ice cream. Das Porträt is a portrait, a photo or picture of a person. Macht gerne Porträts means he likes to take portraits. Das Projekt is a project. Mein neues Projekt ist geheim means my new project is a secret. And finally, die Überraschung, which is a surprise. Die Party war eine tolle Überraschung means the party was a great surprise. Now back to our scene. Paul, could we maybe do today's language exercises directly with your new photos? Sure, why not? What exactly are we doing? We'll start with some review on describing people. Anna, please describe one of Paul's portraits. I'd love to. Okay. In this photo there are 3 older women with short hair. The woman in the blue jacket is very small and is laughing happily. The woman in the green dress is much taller and is wearing glasses. Very well observed. That was a great description. Now it's your turn. Time for our first exercise on adjectives and their endings. Fill in the blanks in the text. You'll see the text on your screen. Auf dem Foto sehe ich eine Frau. Sie hat ein freundlich Gesicht. Sie trägt einen Rot Pullover und eine schwarz Hose. Neben ihr steht ein großer Mann mit einem Grau Bart. Ready for the solution. Auf dem Foto sehe ich eine alte Frau. Sie hat ein freundliches Gesicht. Sie trägt einen roten Pullover und eine schwarze Hose. Neben ihr steht ein großer Mann mit einem grauen Bart. We're using adjective declension here. For example, eine alte Frau is accusative feminine, einen roten Pullover is accusative masculine, and mit einem grauen Bart is dative masculine. Very good. Ben, can you do that too? Whew. Not as well as Anna. Just give it a try. Instead, describe your family. Who is in it? Well, my grandparents live in Spain. I have my parents, 2 sisters, and 5 uncles. One uncle has 4 daughters. Those would be your cousins then. Exactly, my cousins. One of them is almost my age. And what do your sisters look like? They both have light hair and are pretty athletic. And your father? I don't know. He looks pretty normal actually. He has a beard, I think. Let's do our second exercise, this time on possessive articles. Choose the correct option. Number 1. Ben spricht über sein oder seine Familie. 2. Sein oder seine Großeltern leben in Spanien. 3. Er hat 2 Schwestern. Sein oder seine Schwestern sind sportlich. 4. Was ist mit dein oder deinem Vater? 5. Mein oder meine Cousine ist fast so alt wie ich. Let's check the answers. 1. seine, 2. seine, 3. seine, 4. deinem, 5. meine. The possessive article always agrees with the gender in case of the noun it describes. For example, die Family is feminine, so it's seine Family. Die Großeltern is plural, so it's seine Großeltern. And mit deinem Vater is dative masculine. Pretty normal is a flexible term. Okay. Anna, what about the next photo? This photo here? It's interesting. There's a boy with a dog. Wait, that's actually part of my secret project. Now you're really making us curious, Paul. All right. Let's keep the secret for a little while longer. We'll continue with the adjectives. And that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the lesson. Don't forget to review the new vocabulary and grammar. If you want to learn more, check the video description and our channel page for a link to our language courses. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.